Dispenser option. Turn the printer upside down. Remove the 2 mounting screws. Slide the bezel up and away from the front of the printer. Center and push the option module onto the front of the printer and slide it down until it stops. Attach the option module to the printer with 2 screws. Open the printer. Open the media roll holders. Place the media roll on the roll holders and release the guides. Pull the media so that it extends out of the front of the printer. Push the media under both of the media guides. Flip the media up and align the movable media sensor for your media type. For continuous roll or label media, align the sensor to the default center position. Close the printer. Press the pause key and the printer will advance the media. Open the printer. Remove several labels from the media roll. Open the dispenser door by pressing down on the yellow latch. Feed the media liner down and out the bottom of the dispenser. Close the dispenser door. Close the printer. Press the pause key and the printer will advance the media. Press the feed key to advance the media and dispense a label.